What do you have there, Dean? Dean, where are Quinn's hugs? Where are Quinn's hugs? Can you show me where your baby sister's hugs are? Where's baby sister's hugs? Where's your sister's hugs? Can you show me?
My hugs are right here, Mom.
Hi, Dad.
Hi.
Hi, Dean. Can you come here? She's stuck on the carpet. Dean, can you please come here and wave bye to the camera? Come here and tell the camera bye. See, Mommy's taking a video. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Can you come give your sister a love and a hug for the camera? Give her a love and a hug. Yeah, give it to your sister. No? You don't want to give your sister a love and a hug? Okay, Quinny, do you want a love and a hug? Ah. Come here. Quinn. Quinn.